God a God, a man, who shall we fear? God a God, a man, who shall we fear? What's up, Speak My Mind family? I am here with another video. And this one is not going to be a very long video. Because, I am here just all afresh and decide, just show through social media, YouTube and all, see what is going on in, and then probably watch a few of my recreational channels. And in doing so, I come across a video, right? And that video, based on what I was hearing, lead me to think that there was some form of, what I would say now, I want to put it the right way, or should I say this easier? Lead me to believe that Lady V comes out and do a video today. And I don't listen to the video because, as I said, me's not really a Facebook person. Lady V, she has a YouTube channel, but I think she mainly on Facebook, right? But it's not what Lady V talking about, saying or whatsoever. Which this video lead me to believe that they're trying to have a peace treaty where females are coming together for a certain individual, which the individual is 360, for him to, whatever way they want to do it, take him down or want him to stop what he's doing, going on a woman, over woman, cross woman, whatsoever. But that's not what I am here for. Why I come out here to do a video on behalf of this video that she come out here and do is to show you how hypocritical these people are, how confusing these people are. These people is hypocritical, that it's like them are hypocrite to them own self. Because when you listen to these people, especially that Bruk wing one, yeah, she have no credibility or no authority to come out here to talk about peace. And you don't have the authority because nobody come out here and say you shouldn't talk. Like, you love to come out here and talk about, oh, so what about change? People can't change? People do want changes. Yes, people do want changes. But you can't want changes when you see that something is not working for you. You must want the change generally from your heart. Not just because you are trying something that others are doing now, but when you were doing it, there was no problem. You never see any need for peace. You were like fuel to fire. But now because you becomes a reject, I see where y'all point out, but oh, you walked away. The difference between you and the number woman is that you walked away. You understand? And based upon what you're saying in your video, it proves that you're a very hypocritical woman. You're fuel to fire. Because you're even saying what you're saying in this video, where Lady V, whatever she have said on her platform, and this a person and that the person, and whatever go on, me not really understand, but because me sound like me come out of the talk about. It's because I listened to her video up to 15 minutes of the video. It's when she got over the, I was listening everything, because as you know, it's no hide and seek out here. Now you hear some people say, yes, really and truly some people platform in a go on none at all. But if you are stroll through and you see a title of something, and probably you're not aware of what's happening, you might stuck on that channel, click on that channel to hear what is going on. If it's not somebody you're fun with, you might go to the channel of the person that they're talking about to find the true and real authentic video to hear what is going on. But I was listening her just to hear what she have to say, knowing what she have to offer. Me don't know her capability, what she capable of doing and saying. You understand? These are some of the people you can read up who pretend to be, oh, you are the bad one, you are the worst one, when they are the nice one, but behind their niceness, you ever hear them say wolf in a sheep clothes from me I grow? Yes. They're wolf in sheep clothes. They pretend to be like they want this, and then when them grow in the can, oh, you don't want that. And this me want. But in front of you, them show you that, like, yes, and this them want. So I was listening to the video, and she in the video, despite she in the video questioning, as me said, they are so confused that they themselves say them want peace, and at the same time, when other people trying to call peace, them are question it. Why now? Why now? Me are gonna make a listener. But she in the video, same video, I show shades that man is not the only man, and one bag of sitting, cause you have some of them out here, them put you up on thumbnail, and them put you up so, them put you with this by your mouth, this them put you so. I know it is obvious that is me she talking. You understand? So this is the reason why I take on to this video. Me I go play up. Me now go way back where she a preach and up going like a she named Brother Blair. You understand? Me now go play back that far. Me I play from which part she. Me sister she show the shades and thing. Whoever know what Lady V have said on her live today, or what has been said and what kind of organization are going on, I mean not know. But before me go this song, wanna do the do. Me I go in a little reading part. But I want to do the do. I want to know the do. Like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up on the video. And please to watch it as this video is going to be a very short video, about 25 minutes. If so much. So I want to just hit the thumbs up now. Now wait till I'm done watch the video. By them time that the video done so quick. I want to just get in it. I want to forget to hit the thumbs up. And please to watch the ads. Continue to support my backup channel, because everybody out here and have a social media page that they can earn from is trying to earn from it. You understand? Because the opportunity is there to earn, why not try and earn? Some who come out here, as me say in a previous video, we are talking about, oh, them not call it a social. Some of them is because them live in a country, you know, and everywhere YouTube you can be monetized. Some of them might not know how to monetize the channel, and them not have no help to help them to monetize the channel. Some might don't trust nobody to give them certain particulars to do what them do, because you understand they might not have a great understanding and knowledge. But everybody out here we have a monetized channel looking to earn, and it's all you want to earn and what you do to earn. That is the problem. Alright? So when you come out here and show your shades, Bruk wing Wasp, because I broke your wing, Bruk, you know, so you can't fly from here to there and no more. You understand? And you're up in a age right now where you can't walk nor run that much from here to there after being rejected. You understand? He's like a rejected Raja. You understand? So people who don't watch the ads, so the channel can earn. Oh, same way that our friend come out here going like say YouTube is not our surest income. And as she getting money, she gonna do this, she gonna do that, she gonna tara. Cause all the surest income and it alone she can rely upon. You understand? So you watch the ads. And remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy is in the comment section pin. Give her a subscription. It's full time now for them to get this 1,000 subscribers. So I can take them off and now and just come in merry ways. Tamika Douglas is also there. You know, she have a few days more left before I, you know, because she has already reached her 1,000, but that not say we don't have to support her. She has some nice family vlogs over there. You can go over there and watch and help her to get that watch time. I don't think she have got that watch time as yet because I watch a few videos and I have not seen any ads. So basically she have not yet monetized because the watch hours probably been her problem now that she has her 1,000 and going on subscribers. So now go over there and support Tamika Douglas. See me watch her videos, them nice family settings and stuff, you know, road vlogs, movies, you know, to the restaurants, you know, going out with our kids and our family, mother and stuff. Yes, nice recreational videos. So support our channel, watch the video then. Who not subscribe yet, just go and go subscribe. Right? Alright, people. I'm going to go before I go into this Bruk wing Wasp. Yeah, make I read this. Because I come across this also. You see all them people, you know, these people has been fighting for so long that I get so, you know, I don't even know what to say. But I have no interest in even dissecting all one of your video. Larry the Lizard. Trust me. I got no interest of dissecting one of her video. How long now no see me do a video? And there is so much she have been saying. It's not like she not out there speaking. She out there a talk day in day out just like how she have been doing over 5 years. But me just get so upset, you know, and not have no interest of dissecting one of them video because it's like you keep hearing them saying the same thing over and over. So why come out here and play a fool like yourself? Dissecting them where I say the same thing over and over, doing the same thing over and over, and can't reach nowhere. No foot further in a life. You know? To quell whatever them have a problem with. No evidence. With all the evidence them say them have, no evidence can come forward. So, where the same Lady V thing is concerned, I come across this post. Lady V, with all due respect, Ashanti 360 Pansy is fighting for Donna Marie Go. So if she don't come out and stop him, or her plankers them, social media will be the same. And sorry to say, you are just wasting your time. And Ashanti is not the only man. Is not the only man doing this to woman. What about the rest? You are a female. And it is evident that for 5 years you have been carrying down one woman. What you have no proof and evidence of nothing that you fabricate. You know, none of the lies that you fabricate, all the evidence you have, you can't come forward with it. You know? And you not see that in yourself as another female, that it is wrong. But you want to come out here and condemn other man who are exposing them. I'm not busy about the next man, you know, because I put myself in a position now because I'm out here as a man, dissecting on lies, on envy yourself, on jealous, on a bad mind, everything that is bad to another human being. Who is, most of these people are, this one individual is a female also. Who ever stop to check about gender, or it's just that woman can go around and do whatever with another woman, but a man must not do it. Is that so? It's about gender business then. Because the moment I bring down this woman, the moment I bring down people pick me, the moment I bring down other people, you don't see it as something wrong, but you see what other man out here do. So it seems like it's a gender business, Larry the Lizard. It's a gender thing. Okay. Well, if it's a gender thing, you win. Because when you come like some, you know, I don't even know what to call them. Before I get in the Bruk Wasp video, I'm going to read a few comments here also, since we're on the reading part. This person said, this is in the Bruk Wasp comment. To me, the biggest hypocrites are those who are writing up in the comment that Miss D is enabling him and that she should talk to him. Those persons are the same ones who were on his platform cursing Miss D and enabling him, but because the table turned and he is now cursing their favorite, the Marcia, the Tina Chin, the Lorraine, and the Maxine, now they want Miss D to talk to him. They did not talk to him when he was cussing Miss D. Those to me are the old hypocrites, like the one who should up on our page. A comment. This go for the one who should up on our page, the Bruk Wasp. Bruk Wing Wasp. The Bruk Wing Wasp? Yes. He's talking about remember well. Which one I reach? Oh, hypocrite. And concerning this peace treaty that everybody is talking about, remember well, there was no peace treaty. 2 person and 2 person only, Ashanti and Miss D, decide to mend fences with each other. I don't remember hearing Ashanti saying he made peace with the world, so people need to stop talking about peace treaty. Peace was only between him, Miss D. I agree he should stop what he is doing, but look at who the real hypocrites are, and don't forget the instigators of war and the gaslighters who do their dirty work, then go one side and laugh. We see them too, we know them. And this are one, the same platform we should depend. This person type in the comment section of Bruk Wasp, Bruk Wing Wasp. You are one of them who she attack. She reply, listen to her reply now. To me, the big, oh no, the reply me I go for. Did he not make peace with Chris too? Did he keep his word concerning Chris? Question sign. What did Chris do to him? Question sign. And you guys need to stop saying Miss D and him made peace. But just want to listen to the lines of what me I said to show you how confusing, and as the woman said, they are fuel to the light. They are like the fuel to the fire. She are one of them. Because she go on like she want peace, but she no want no peace. You understand? She just front up on phone scream and talk. And you hear her voice because you not see her face. Like she want peace in social media. But I can tell you this. For peace to come in this side of social media, none of you can call it. None of you cannot call peace right as in a social media. A Father God alone can do it. Our ears now no want to see peace. And most of you we are talking about peace, who did a fuel things against Miss D. Most of you did a fuel things against Donna Marie Go. You understand? But the table turn, who forget kick, get kick, who forget chub, get chub, who forget runway, get runway, who forget rejected, get rejected. So it's like now, you know, the turn, the way the table turn, una cry out for peace and whatsoever else una cry out for una know. But when only they side with that same individual, una never see it fit for one peace. Una never see it fit to stop what una doing. Una were, it's like the injector that pump the fuel to the vehicle. Una were that the injectors that the fuel travel through to fuel the engine to keep it running. Una were like the injectors. Yes, man. Una were like the injectors. But now, una come out and cry. Like when a man lick down a mice or a rat. That's how una come out here and cry. Make I continue to read what her reply is to that first person. Yeah. Stop saying Miss D and him made peace with each other. What did she need to make? What did she need? I think she should say, what did she do to make peace? Well, let me read it as how she write it. What did she need to make peace with him for? What did she do to him? Question sign. All those was question sign. In other words, there was no such thing as a peace treaty. It was simply just a man seeing it would have been more beneficial to him and his platform if he joined forces with a certain group of people who was becoming more larger than life and wanted to be a part of it for his own financial gain. If you can't beat them, join them. All these words that you are saying and things that you are saying, you should not be saying all these things if you want peace. Worse for somebody who was a part of that team. You shouldn't be saying all these things, you know. That's why I know no confused, no corrupted, no corruption, no corrupt bungos, no coming like pus. You shouldn't be the one. You have no credibility to come out here, come talk like this. You should just sit and enjoy the ride. Whatever you like, you like. Whatever you don't like, you don't like. Don't come out here, come try tutor nobody if you do nothing at all. Or instigate nobody if you do nothing at all. Whether you want to see it at me, or want to see it at me, so why you never want to see it at me back in your days? Why now? You ask the question, let me ask you back now. Why now? Eh? When you were fueling the fire, you never see it fit to stop and throw water instead of fuel. You continue to throw fuel. All when probably somebody out there saying, throw water, a water in another bucket, they throw that, you say, no, give me the one with the fuel. Because them time that it sweet you, because you was a strong part of it. You come out here and said, yes, you were a strong supporter. And you were one of the audience supporters. In your video, you say, or I think in the comment, when I don't read comment yet, you say you walk but the number woman get run. All these things. But you still want peace, but you're still saying things to fuel and continue the saga. Let's continue. Oh, make us see where I reach. You all fell for it and label it as peace treaty. There was no peace treaty. Let her ever come out against him. That is Miss D now. She has said, let Miss D ever come out against him. Let her ever come out against him, and you will see if it is, if there, where she put if it, she should say if there will be any peace. Ha ha ha, she laughed. Miss D is no fool. She sees the writing on the wall. If he truly loves her, why would he be disrespecting all the people around her that truly love and respect her? Can you answer that? So that is her reply to the first person. Alright, let's move on to the second person. So is it okay for them to join together to pull down this man, but they all pull down a beautiful Jamaican queen? This is what somebody else said in the comment. So is it okay for them to join together to pull down this man? They all pull down a beautiful Jamaican queen. And this is what I am saying. She were a part of this back then. So why she come out now want to say what she's saying now? And we must, our people, not me. Because me is a solo. Me not join force with nobody. Me a solo. And as me say, why me come out and do this video? Because I just listen to the video and I say nothing, you know. But me hear shades through. And that shade, my name might not call, but it is direct to me. Because basically I am the thumbnail guy out here. I am the thumbnail one. So when you go thumbnail and they describe thumbnail, you don't have to call me name. We don't idiot out here. And I like a certain shades through when me can say, boy, yes, I can mean, you know, but I mean, no, I mean, but at the same time, I could have go for John, I could have go for Harry, I'm going to leave it. This are directly to me, despite my name not called. Because me are the thumbnail man out here. Alright, our reply was, not sure what you're asking. Does it sound like I am endorsing any pulling anyone down, or just asking why no? But why you ask why no? Why you never ask yourself back then? Eh? You ask why no? Why you never try to do it back then when you were a part of the system and a fuel it? Why you never try to do it? You gotta ask no, why no? But at the same time, you come out here on a day-to-day basis crying for peace. Day-to-day, you come out here pretending like you want to see peace in social media, you know. And if so be the case, and whosoever, whatever, Lady V say, and whosoever, you are, say a farm, because you call a couple female names, and they're trying to say, boy, okay, and you gotta ask why no? Why may I tell you people? May I tell you, Father God, every day I say me God, you know like man. Why not back then when he was pulling down your queen? Ha 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 ha, stick a pin. She asked the question, why now and why not then when they were pulling down? Because basically she said the person who write the comment, Dana was our queen, yes. So she asked the question, but I am saying, but then you were a part of the system. So why couldn't you call Cree? Why couldn't you call peace? Why couldn't you ask him to stop? And I am saying, if whatever Lady V come say a peace whatsoever, as me say me not here because Facebook cannot really me like that. And if it's a peace, them I try to call, you always a call people, right? So it sound like you question it. Whatever way it want come, if a peace, you want peace come, you take it. Whatever way it come, you want peace, you want see peace. So if peace come, you take it. But you got question, why now? I don't know why you question it. And you are one of them who say, you vindicate for peace. Confusion, the whole of the confused. And to be honest, no one came against him and provoked. So let's be fair. But regardless of what this going underneath, woman just need to stop. Period. So wait, me ask a question. Me not condole such man do all of that. But you know, your woman out here go under woman. And the double standard thing me I talk about, you know, that's why me I ask if there's a if there was social media thing, if it's a gender issue. You know, your woman out here go under woman. A man did make for go under woman. Woman never make for go under woman. A man did make for go under woman. And you have a problem with it. And the woman them will go under woman. You don't have no problem with that. You know, hear people out here, even your own friend. Where you can't, no cure she run here, like you just can't, you have up in her, what you see up in her comment section and go on with yourself. You know, see her out here enough time I go upon a woman. Isn't she a woman? What, did God birth her to go upon a woman? God birthed us as man to go upon a woman. So what you say? Let's continue. Let's continue. Was it a few, the one you're supposed to want, or another long one. Was it a few, this is the Bruk wing was attack again. Was it a few years ago she was supporting him? Or was it just few months ago? If they did not have a fallout, do you think she would making a video like that? Well, this look like she's probably referring, I can see if this is the one that she said. Yes, she's probably referring now to the number woman. This text is the number woman she referred to. Was it a few years ago she was supporting him? That is the number woman. Alright. Or was it just few months ago? If they did not have a fallout, do you think she would making a video like that? The difference between, listen now. The difference between, because you know people are going to say, then you know was a part of it too. So listen now, listen it come out in defense of our statement. The difference between me and her, that is Queen Wasp, and the number woman. The difference between me and her, what is Queen Wasp, alright, listen up. The difference between me and her is she was kicked out. She was out. But I walked away 2 years now. So she has to say the number woman get kicked from the boss. Them boss. But she walked away 2 years ago. And this is the reason why she started like this. Was it few years ago she was supporting him? Question sign. Because she, the Wasp, was supporting that man few years ago. So she have show us a long time she left over there. So question sign, you know. May I show you how them mix up and them are hypocrite and them confused. Them say one thing out of them mouth verbally, but written, them write something different. And then when them act even different. So they are so confused. Now read the part that again. Was it few years ago she was supporting him? Question. Or was it just few months ago? If they did not have a follow, do you think she would making a video like that? The difference between me and her is she was kicked out. I walked away 2 years ago now. So your point is invalid. Continue to support his behavior. Your time is coming. Well, me no know. She know the woman from said woman time a come. Somebody else said they did not do it for Auntie Dana because they don't like her. They are hypocrites. But I love her. Real. They are hypocrites. Somebody said, QB, you are not fully correct. Lot of people try. They went on his side because they see 99 friend him. Just my honest opinion, QB. What about you? You supported him when it suits you, just as Valine. But I think Valine was is make a correction here because I don't want nobody come for me. But to me not really follow Facebook like that. Based on what this person is saying now in the comment section, I am wondering if it's the number woman or Valine, because it did confuse me for true, because me I say basically the whole issue surrounding what going in this, yeah, so and the one I'm read from Lorraine is because of Valine, which is Lady V, come out and do that live. So probably it's not even the number woman she has said few months ago. You understand? So if the 60 man and Valine did have a little acquaintance a few months ago, I don't know if them don't talk no more now or them did have it. That's why I decided at the number woman. But based on the whole thing, it did confuse. Because I say Valine do the live where everyone now know a jump up about. So basically I must Valine. So now this person write this in the comment section. I want to say probably a Valine and not the number woman. When she made the statement in the previous one where she said she leave and whosoever get kicked out. Anyway, make I read the reply to that. Where I was. Oh, the reply was, did you listen to what I said in the video? I said it is, if it was years ago, I could understand. She had defend herself, you know. If it was years ago, she could have understand. Years ago, you was a big man. 2 years ago, you did probably about 63, because you must say about 65 now. You're probably about 63. Because if you're ever younger than 65, you go through a rough time. And that's how your life so rough right now. I just the best I want to try show in a social media. You understand? Give thanks to God. 50 wholly. No wholly. 50 little. And look at me. To even Curly we say February I come she have 52. Me hold on her. But look at me and look at she. I remember me no wear filter, me no wear makeup. So just judge you no see her and no makeup, no filter. She 2 times older than how she look under the filter and under the makeup. Did you listen to what I said in the video? I said if it was years ago, I could understand because everyone can change. Oh, so you are defending yourself because you want to say you change. Okay. Oh no? I tell you so not corruption and not pus. Yeah man. Overtime. But with her, it was just a few months ago. And to be honest, if the fallout did not happen, she would still be there cheering him on. Facts. I did not wait for a fallout. I stepped away on my own. That's the difference. Stop trying to find something negative to say and listen to my question. Why now? That's what you need to answer. You never just walk out. something not go right for you to walk out. It's not a case that you did see, okay, this was the wrong road, the wrong path, and you stepped away. No. Something go wrong between you and that man while you walk out. Me not go say him run you or him kick you. But something where you realize you are not accepted anymore. And sooner or later you might just get rejected publicly. So you take the chance and walk away. But what I want to ask you, is it that people take 20 years for change? Is it that people can change in a 1 day, 1 hour? Me never know say it have to take 2 years, but because you take 2 years, you is a change person. But whosoever the next person is, whether the number woman or a valley in Lady V, because them just left in a few months, them can't change. And I more feel like a valley in your talk, kind of your video, you talk how much you did afraid of the number woman. And that's why you're brave up now and come out and chat. Anyway, people, I could get into the video. I'm not listening, I'm not going to further in the chatting. I just did read them, I couldn't understand.
Was piggybacked on because some of you guys came out and did the same thing to other females and one another. So what's the difference now? What changed?
Ask yourself the question.
I am all for improvement. I am all for coming together to try to see if we can help eliminate and to stop
pretender,
the
man.
madness that's going on social media. And it ain't just...
You have been calling for peace for so long. You have been coming out here for so long. Like you're tired and pissed off with what is going on. And turn your back on social media. You tell us plain, we won't be seeing you until probably another 2 months. Another week, another... And as the mix-up drop, you are here. So you don't want to see no peace, lady. You don't want to see no peace. You enjoy what is going on. Because your life could have sad and lonely. And this is the only way you can get a laugh. This is the only way you can exercise your jawbone. Where you can't even yarn for long because it could have lock up on you. You don't stop pretending. No? You don't going to make the thing worse when you don't pretend. Because within the pretending, you know. You know the elsewhere, you know. A chew gas in the fire, you know. Because we know you not pretend. So anywhere, if you have to pass the gas through 20 somebody feet to reach the fire, you play on a part and pass the gas. But you come out here, come pretend to secure and cover on yourself like you is innocent. We know you is naturally birthed the way you is. So you can't change. Stop the pretending, man. Stop the capping. I be a cap, you come out your cap. Stop the capping, man.
It's about just Ashanti. It's about all of us as a whole. All of us as bloggers. All of us need to make changes in order for it to be peace or some form of peace on social media.
You want change because things not working the way you want it. When you used to the same mess, you never see it. Say you want change.
It's not going to happen with just eliminating Ashanti. Because as soon as you eliminate him, you still have other male bloggers out there that's doing the same disrespectful thing. Maybe they're not doing it as harshly. Maybe they're not doing it as disrespectfully. But they're still...
Alright. Let me check now. You have Duisha. Remember in our circle we attack. You have Duisha. You have YMK. You have Leggy. 360. Oh, you go. YMK, Leggy, 360, Duisha, and me. I 5 that. Me not count nobody else. Anybody else out there, me not count them as male. Me not count them. That are in the diaspora. That are 5 away. Alright? Out of the 5, you don't know who mainly them attack. But I want to listen here, sir. And tell me who you think out of the next 4 where the shades I wish you could talk about for. Duisha no put up thumbnail. Leggy no put up thumbnail. Chris no put up thumbnail. So who she could have talked out of the next 4? So I want to tell me if me did have a right to do this video. Because without this, I won't do the video. I just this now what she say so make me do the video. Now listen, you know.
Out there doing it. All in the name of defending. And the reason why you can know most of them is not doing anything for defense is because even when TC and the MCs, you know, when they come out and they're not even speaking about, you know, the Miss D, they're not even, their conversation was even about Miss D. The conversation was about their private life. Their private, you know, the conversation was about.
So we are saying, because we are out here, as what you say, in defense of Miss D. If TC, T-Gal, T-Mess, T-Dog, Curly, Kakai come out here and talk about personal life and personal affair, and they have said something that me see it fit to come out here and say whether them personal life or not. It not have to be Miss D. Me never tell you say me come out here for my platform for Miss D. So it's only when them talk about Miss D me do a video. No. If them come out here come and chat about the Prime Minister for that a country or this a country and me no lie them a tell, me I go come out here come talk once me hear the video. I am here to dissect and expose the lies, the beating around the bush, the corruption, the hypocrisy we want to have out here. That is what me out here for. You understand? So, if Tina sit down on her platform and she criticize somebody's personal life, Marcia sit down on her platform and criticize somebody's personal life, and I happen to hear them do a video, and me want come out come criticize for them personal life, something wrong with that? You're telling me that I should sit and wait till them call Dana name? And that you tell me, say? Hey woman, you say if you don't know, if you chat, say, keep your mouth locked. And you say if you have to open your mouth to catch fresh air, to keep your breath fresh or your mouth fresh, just not talk. Just not talk. Because when you talk, your mouth now go stay fresh because you talk filth. You talk shit.
You know, going out with their man and eating food with their man and, you know, cocking up in the bed with them man or up with them man, you know. How
much time you hear Marcy and Tina come out here with people personal life and people personal affair? You want me name them? Me can't name a whole heap. Even people when over yesterday in this diaspora, people who not look upon them, people who even know them, people who not count them. Cora, Shelly and Fraser. Well, Tina have a whole lot. So me didn't have a thought that. Me talk about your friend. So much people. Them come out here with the people in personal life. Me never know say if you're a blogger, you're limited to talk about what you want to talk, what you're supposed to talk about, and not talk about what you see fit and interested in to talk about. I never know you're limited to talk about special things. I never know. So you're telling me must sit and wait for Dana name to call from Tina and Marcia before who you to? You all T-bungle yo. Move man.
The conversation was about doing their hair and, you know, who have the best wig and a nice wig. You know, the conversation was about their cake business and, you know, the conversation was totally different. It was nowhere near Miss D, and yet these bloggers will still come out and attack these people and put up all kind of emojis on their platform and these ugly, you know, with doo-doo and dog shit and all kind of shit. And
this is the part of the video why me come out come do that video, people. Cause me know me share talk. Remember my name the 5 man, you know. Shanti, Chris, Lege, Duisha and me. None of those other 4 man put up thumbnail on video. You never see them put up a thumbnail on a video yet? You tell me the honest truth. So, when I share show like this, then you know say yes, it show indirect, but you know directly you share talk. You have to come out come answer. When I share show and you know, but at the same time, You have doubt because you can go for John Honest and Harry too, but despite you know you because John and she not in a tanglings. You understand? You leave it alone. But like all this, me know directly me she attack. None of the other 4 persons as man out here no put up nothing upon them no put up thumbnail. Wanna listen?
And they go after them. They play their video and dissect it down. And it had nothing to do with Miss D. Her name was not even mentioned when these people were doing their live. So that's why I know.
So none of us out here signed contract with Miss D. So it's only when our name called we're supposed to talk. Come out here, come show me the proof of the contract that none of us signed with Miss D. Come out here, come show me the contract where Miss D say use the platform here and defend me. And I fear the platform, but you just use it. You are the face side. Come out here, come show me. You just a chat, you know. If you just chat sake and make yourself look good and all I want to do in the past. You know, I try to cover for the past what you do. You understand? And in cover in the past what you do, you know, I try to show out the people them want to claim to say presently I do what you used to do. And that you know, people like you are that you do. You try to show out people presently we might do what you did do. And not even worse than what you did do. You understand? That is you. But you can't fool nobody. You get rejected. You have no space in social media. So you just figure more or less say, oh, people will come after you and people will come surpass you in social media and we are do what we are do. You have a problem with it. This is an instigator. Your conspiracy to whole heap of things out here. Yes. Your conspiracy to whole heap of things out here. So it's even worse than the person who do the act. Because if you don't light the fire, you know, the fire can't light, you know. You have to light the fire. Feet light. Unless a magic make it light. So you instigate a lot of things out here. So I know why you come out here, come play and make people believe, say, use this, oh, I am this nice wasp. You know, I've never sting anybody yet. You know, yes, I never ever sting anybody. The amount of people where you instigate and sting. Conspiracy to a lot of things out here. You Queen Wasp. Don't come give the new people them over here no impression like you're this person who want to see peace and want peace. People, she's a big instigator. 2 years ago she walked away. She claimed to say she walked away. She wasn't pushed. She wasn't shoved. She wasn't kicked. She walked away from the same person that she had tried to put down now. And people who want probably accept peace, she are questioning why now. But it's still at the same time she want to see peace. So why you question it? Anyhow the peace will come and it come, make it come. It no matter why now or why then. But our point is because the woman fall out with the man. That's why she are called peace now. So you know do the same thing? Weeks and months ago when you are called for peace and you are trying to put down that same man there. You are trying to put him down. Up to now you are trying to put him down. You never remember say 2 years ago. Oh, so 2 years ago. And that person that couple weeks ago. If you are one fresh so. Cool your toe. Cool your toe. All maggot afraid to come side of you. The way you corrupt. And full of pus. All maggot afraid to come side of you. The big colored fly them will love follow pus like all you. Not even want to come side of you. Not even the Jamaican eagle no want to fly over your head. The way you corrupt. Yo. You just come with foolishness because you just feel like your voice must be heard. Your voice must be heard. If you want your voice to be heard, come with sensible things, man. Don't come with your corruption.
Don't come
With a selfish self.
video in the sense like, oh, I'm trying to, bring the truth out to the public, or I'm trying to dissect it because I want them to know the truth, because what you're saying, has nothing to do with nothing but a bunch of lies or hypocritical. Okay, it had to do with my boyfriend. It had to do with me going out to dinner with my man. It had to be, with me going to church. What that have to do with you dissecting that? And
You ask Marcy and Tina when 99 put on her clothes and go to church and them say it no look good. You ask Tina and Marcia when the woman go about her personal business outside a charity, and your friend Lorraine, what that have to do with them when them come on them platform and not criticize how the woman dress, how she shape. You ask them how that go, because them say corruption them a fight. You ask them how that go. Look here, I tell you, man. You see in a life? Read this. Blessed. With God, all things are possible. See it? Blessed. With God, all things are possible. We don't need people like Uno. Listen, from we have God, all things are possible. Whatever will happen will happen. We don't need Uno. Because Uno an instigator for the wrong things. Uno not instigate the right thing. Uno instigate the wrong thing. But here what you do now, Uno come like some snail on a shell. Uno long out on the head, when nobody know about, Or Uno create all kind of mischief. But Uno hear, as Uno don't have to see the person, Uno want to hear like a shadow come. Uno don't want to see a shadow or hear like some footstep. Uno join on the shell. Uno never did that do nothing. You understand? And Uno that come like some snail. We're in a shell. We don't always try to cover on the deeds and cover on the wrongdoing. And when you don't feel fit to come out, to come criticize and banter somebody where I do something where you used to do after the past, this is how you put it. You was doing that 2 years ago. Now them are doing it weeks ago. So what's the difference? Why now? Why now? Why never then? Ask yourself, why never then? When you was a part of the team, why never then? You if you ask yourself that question there. Now you want peace, so why you questioning why now? And you say you want peace. You're not supposed to question it, man. Anyhow the peace come, it come. A peace you say you want, And that's why I know you don't want no peace. Because you're not supposed to matter how peace come.
has nothing to do with
From a peace you want to see.
No, it's not always about defending anybody. It's just about creating content. And as long as they continue.
Then what's the platform is about? I no movie me come out here act. I no game me come out here play, so I can say right, tonight a Ludi night, or tomorrow a bingo night, or tonight a football night. It's this type of content. But the thing about it, all like a man like me, when me create it, me not fabricate nothing. And this is why me play on a video and dissect it. So you can't come out here come say, you never say. Me play it for the people them overall here. So when me a dissect them understand where me a come from. Them understand the point where me a try get across. So it's not like me come out here and fabricate story pound, I don't know, hear me a go upon a woman more than when I come out here and go on like, when me do me thing, it get to, I don't want to pass on a place. Me have to make on a know say, boy, me there we are head on. You understand? When it come on to cussing, me there we are head on. It's just that me no, but we will fix on up. Me not have to put much pepper pound. You understand? Me just sprinkle a little sweet pepper. Me don't even have to go into the hot pepper. Little sweet pepper. And fix on nice. And if you don't want me continue fixing on me, fix on. Because someone will take long for fixing. Because you rock me down bad. You come like some old BMC, some old ladder, some old escort. You rock me down bad. And right now, if you fix all the parts on there, where you can just go buy a part. You understand? We have to cut and replace with metal. The way someone rock me down bad. So maybe fix on.
One group of people to make those content, it's going to constantly be a backlash. Because not everybody is going to ignore. Everybody is not going to just sit quiet and say, okay, I'm not going to run out tonight and defend myself. No. Some of them are. And you have one particular one that they're going to constantly always come out to defend themselves, right? So he's going to constantly have their type of content. So it's not going to stop. So that's the reason why I'm saying collectively as bloggers, we all need to stop. We need to stop. And stopping means, yes, you can post your stuff on your platform, post videos, you can post drama, you can post mix-up, you can post this, you can post that, but long as you don't get personal with it, long as it's not like a personal blog, you're going to put up something and say, look at this big fat cow, or look at, Big Bird, or look at this, or look at, what I'm saying? As long as we're not like personalizing it towards one particular person, yeah, you could do that because that's blogging and people wants to hear that kind of mess. But when you get personal with it, then it becomes a problem.
The same set of people them where you come out here and try to defend, These people are the same set of people who do just the same as what you are saying. I'm going to ask again, I've been asking this for a while now. Because most of you people make it look like social media and blogging is all about gender. Social media and blogging is not all about gender. Not because me as a man and me see you as a woman, Tina as a girl. Me, I go soon do something when me can use as a content. And because uno a woman and me a man, me don't do it. You mad? Then if you cannot do the worst, I don't have the courage to come out here, come do it and bring it down people. Why me can dissect and expose As me say, sometimes on the platform on the chat some crap, but the people them into so much them don't realize that crap on the talk. So when me come me slow it down, me say to the people them say listen out for this, look out for this is how we are gonna talk and listen what gonna happen. And me play it and me dissect it. Then the people them get a better understanding. So when them did that cheer on, you see that really foolishness. But because them just into the video and just a flow and go so, them they've not realized what I say. It's just like how some people that read and not read it full understanding. Yeah, some people just try to read fast, but them read fast and done the article, But at the end of the day, them don't understand nothing what the article said. And them don't try to go over about the article and take them time, read through the article till them get the understanding. You understand? So we all come go on like say, it's a gender issue.
The only person you have to pray for me, Queen Bee, about when it becomes personal or do anything personal is Grace. Yes. That one you have to pray for me about. Because anything I post, if it's concerning her, it's going to be something personal. Yes. I admit, I agree.
You hear? She want peace. She are crying for peace over Yasso, but she a create war over this. Whatever Gracie has done to you, if you want to see peace in social media, or social media Gracie, or social media here, why you want to come over the corner here and cry peace? And want to see peace over Yasso. But at the same time, I tell you something confusing, confusing, soon mad out. When the brain soon get complicated.
But let all just try. So getting back to Ashanti now. You guys are not going to stop what's going on with him until he, in his own mind, decides to stop. And the only way I see him stopping is going to come from his own audience. because he's all about pleasing his audience. He's about giving them what they want. And as long as they want blood, as long as they want war, as long as they want mix-up and pass, as long as they want individuals be torn
What you did
down,
want back
as
in the
long as their
days. Not the
blood
same
urge
thing.
for it, and
It's
that's
the
what
same
they
thing you didn't
want,
want back in
and
the
that's
days when you
what
were chairman
feed
2
on.
years, 2
That's
year and a
what
half
you're
years
gonna
ago.
feed them.
So you come like he's any
Constantly,
different
regardless
from
of
who's
what
there
you,
now.
I, or anybody else
We have to
say.
try single out yourself.
So only his audience could change what direction he goes. By them stop supporting that type of behavior.
The same behavior where you did a support a few years ago.
And until they get tired of it, there will be no change.
The same behavior, you know, where she did a support few years ago.
You might have to save your breath. HTK, continue doing what you do, spitting that good knowledge, spitting that, deep type of knowledge. That I like deep knowledge. Yeah, I'm deep. You know what I'm saying? So I love deep knowledge. Continue spitting that. Everyone else.
Somewhere you look for pitch, but the people in the social media already identify who you is. They already identify who you is and what you're capable of doing. Nobody now let you in them space. Nobody. You could have called this your name, that the name, Tara name.
To step forward. And to be honest, let me tell my truth in this. I was more nervous of you coming at me than Ashanti. I was more afraid of you and your damn mouth and the shit that you probably gonna make up and say about me that is not even true.
Listen what she say, I say no.
But it's gonna sound so true that I'm gonna be so.
So she has said the woman I be a lie she tell. Make she make up things and make it sound so true. Psychology them are using her. Listen to what she are talking about. Oh, don't make she fool you know. Read in between what she are trying to say or so.
I'm not afraid of more Ashanti's mouth. It's just that he goes a little further when he tried to involve your family. And that's the part I definitely don't like. So once you and Ashanti parted,
they get strength, energy.
that's when I felt safe enough. Because now I know
you eat spinach.
I might be a little bit safer. Now that you may not be coming at me. So in all honesty, yes, you gave some of us the strength to come forward. But on my part, to be honest, it was more of, okay, that's one less person I need to worry about coming at me. And that was, all right? Anyway, guys.
People, as I say, she is one of the confusing person in social media. But she just a try to look something for pitch where she will be accepted and feel comfortable. That's exactly what she do. But remember, your past is already there. Your history is already there. It's not go easy to write off. You understand? And then, of recent times, people have seen what you have done to somebody who you say is your close friend. You understand, which is Curly. So people skeptic of you. Nobody now let you in them space. So you could have tried as you may. Speak my mind, people. Thanks for watching. You know, the whole part reading, but we just want to get the message across. You know. Just do the do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up when you like the video. And please to watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. And remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy in the comment section. Give them a subscription on them YouTube channel. And please go support Charms _and_trends on Instagram. Though, just go follow the page. Just check out the page. And just jump on the website and order something. Charmed and trends.shop. That is the website. charmedandtrends.shop. If you want to go on the Instagram page, it is charmed_and_trends. Remember now, the code Speak My Mind Entertainment and you get 20% off. Bless upon yourself. Thanks for watching. I'm out. Hypocrites. Hypocrites a talk. Loud them make them sit and talk. All them a talk. I mean them can't lock off. Yeah man. Hypocrites a talk. Loud them make them sit and talk. All them a talk. Them can't lock me off. Yeah man.